Give your Mustang a huge injection of both attitude and performance with the Kooks 1 7/8 inch long tube header kit featuring green catalytic converters and OEM connectors. This kit is compatible with 2015 and newer Mustang GTs and Dark Horse models, and it's specifically designed for optimum exhaust gas flow and low back pressure, giving you more power and way better sound. This is a bolt-on solution that works with your Mustang, giving you EPA certified catalytic converters as well, ensuring that your car makes the power you're after, but won't throw a check engine light or cause other issues with emissions testing. Kooks is one of the biggest names in headers in the muscle car world, and they pride themselves on making high-quality, well-engineered header and exhaust systems that just work. And what we have here are a set of long tube headers with 1 7/8 inch primaries that strike a great balance. The sizing here allows these to help add real top-end power and a noticeably more aggressive exhaust note without sacrificing low-end torque. Again, balance is the name of the game here. These are designed to unlock the power that you're after, but it won't come at the detriment of drivability like you would lose by jumping to a setup with larger diameter primaries. Now, those specifically designed primaries combine with Kooks' patented scavenging spike here to enhance exhaust gas flow. And that, again, is the name of the game here. Now, having the primaries at that size and the design of these allows those exhaust gases and pulses to travel smoothly throughout the system without crashing into one another. So the exhaust gases and the pulses are not going to get jammed together like they do in your factory manifold. You've actually got room for them to travel all the way down where they can merge nicely together at the collector down here. Whereas with the standard manifold, they all just come right out of the head and get smushed right together and shoved into a tiny collector right there at the edge of the manifold. Now, that collector down here includes that scavenging spike, and that is going to help by pulling those gases through the system. It creates a sort of vacuum effect, and again is going to allow them to merge together nice and smoothly. So everything flows about as well as it possibly can. There are no choke points like you find on those factory manifolds here. Kooks rates these to support up to 750 rear wheel horsepower, so you've got lots of headroom here if you decide to go with forced induction or even just a crazy naturally aspirated build down the line. You can put these on an otherwise completely stock car and still enjoy some additional power. Now, the other benefit here is going to be the sound, and it is going to be quite a bit more wild than your factory setup. Now, you can pair these with pretty much any exhaust you want, and we'll talk more about that in a moment. Any way you do it though, the sound is going to be bolder, it's going to be a little bit more high pitched, and it will accentuate that signature coyote wail. So no matter what you do, it's going to sound quite a bit cooler with these installed. Now, Kooks also pairs these headers with a set of green high-flow catalytic converters, and these are really one of the biggest selling points. Despite what you may have heard or read on the internet, simply eliminating your catalytic converters altogether, it's not the way to go. It's not necessarily going to give you more power. Plus, cutting out your cats can cause issues with emissions. It can throw a check engine light almost instantly. Now, if you want to actually use your car on the street and drive it and not have to deal with the check engine light and all the mess that comes along with it, then you'll be happy these are included. What we have here is a set of EPA verified 400 cell high flow catalytic converters. And these are integrated into OEM style connections as well. Inside each cat is a high flow substrate, meaning that these will flow way better than your stock converters ever could, and these will still do a great job of converting exhaust gases and keeping your Mustang's computer systems happy. These are made for the same power output as the headers, 375 horsepower per cat, so 750 wheel horsepower overall. And they are built to withstand forced induction too, so they can handle boost if you have that or you're planning to add it somewhere down the line. And while you will still need a new or updated tune for your car once you've got all this installed, everything here will go a long way toward giving you the power you're after without compromising functionality along the way. Now, after the cats, this piping is designed to connect up to your factory exhaust system. So it will work with the factory catback. It will also work with any aftermarket catback that uses factory connectors too. So you can make this system pretty much as mild or as wild as you want, and the system can grow with your build. So you can just pop your stock catback off, go for a full custom exhaust the rest of the way back, or you can put on the headers, the new catalytic converters in the mid pipes, and leave your factory exhaust for something that's a little bit more stealthy, but will still give you the power that you want. The headers themselves are all made from T304 stainless steel, and you get 3/8 inch thick laser cut flanges, so you get a really nice seal against the cylinder head. Now these do have round ports feeding those 1 7/8 inch primaries, which are also mandrel bent for smooth exhaust gas flow. The flanges use the stock bolt pattern too, of course, so they are designed to bolt right up to the head using the new included bolts. The cats are also made from the same T304 stainless steel, so everything here is going to be very resistant to corrosion. Plus, since there isn't any additional coating on them, you'll actually get some cool coloring once you run them in a little bit. It gives you a little bit of extra visual flair underneath the hood. The kit also comes with all the clamps, bolts, and O2 sensor extension harnesses you need to complete the job, plus the gaskets, and we'll talk more about that momentarily. Pricing comes in at about $3,300, which makes this a decidedly premium option in the market. This is an investment though. Long tube headers are never inexpensive, and if you're going all in with your car and chasing power, it's worth spending the extra money to get these versus some of the other options out there. And that's because this kit is simply going to give you the power and sound that you want while keeping your car EPA compliant and fully streetable. Installation, not for the faint of heart here, and we will give this the full 3 out of 3 on our difficulty meter. Expect the job to take you the better part of a day to finish as well. Now, again, while all the gaskets and hardware and all the other stuff that you need is included in the kit, this is going to test the metal of your toolbox, and it will test your patience as well, because it is a very involved job, especially if you don't have access to a lift. You will also need to use the included O2 sensor extensions and swap over your oxygen sensors, or frankly, just get a set of new ones. Of course, asking your preferred shop or mechanic to install all of this is always an option, and in a case like this, if you're not truly comfortable really diving into your engine bay, professional installation is going to be your best bet. The main hurdle here is not actually the installation, it's simply the access. Getting your old manifold out is going to be a job, and getting these new ones, because they are physically larger, in is going to be a little bit difficult. And you may have to do some additional disassembly depending on how your vehicle is set up, because it varies a bit from the start of this generation up to the new S650s. So, as with most things though, if you have the skill set, you've got the patience, and you've got the toolbox, you can tackle this at home. Just know that it's going to take you a while, and make sure you are aware of how involved the job it is before you dive in. That's going to wrap it up here for our review of the Kooks 1 7/8 inch long tube headers with green catted OEM connections, fitting 2015 and newer Mustang GT and Dark Horse models. Thanks so much for watching, and for everything Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.